Aloha, Confetti Yetti friends. What are we going to be unboxing today, Torius?
Playmobil School.
Playmobil City Life School. It's really exciting. Oh, and I'll show you the back. And these are all the pieces for this school. We're excited to be unboxing it because I've been looking forward to unboxing this. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Right there, unicorn. So I think we have to rip the box a little bit, but not that much. So yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna see all the parts that it comes with. Ooh. Okay. This is what it looks like inside. The school is mostly black.
Wow.
It's a little bit, you have to build a little bit. You just got to build the floor, and that's all.
That's pretty big.
It is.
Can Torius show us how big it is? Because he's a different size too.
So,
Wow.
that's the entrance, I think. It's just pretend. You can't really open it. But what's really cool about this set is that you can bring it everywhere.
You're right. Take along. You're so right. Very good insight and detail for our friends.
It's really nice.
And then, of course, the little pieces.
Yes, the pieces. These are accessories for the children, and it will be really fun to be at school at home. So, guys, we hope you enjoyed this adventuring video. We will do a video at the end of the video about what it looks like when it's built. So, guys, we'll see you in that part of the video. If you liked this part of the video, then give it a like, subscribe, and comment if you liked it. Bye.